What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're talking about my smart bedroom, and I dropped a video on this almost a year ago, and since then I've moved and things have changed, so let's check out the update. So starting out simple, let's take a look at the Nightstand. And here I'm actually rocking an Amazon Echo Spot. And this thing is pretty cool because, well, it has Alexa built into it and it's very useful for controlling a lot of these smart devices in my house. Next to that, I'm rocking the Samsung Fast Wireless Charger along with my Galaxy S9. And on the side of that, I have a dock for my iPhone X and my Apple Watch. I also do have an iPad Pro sitting here in case I don't feel like turning on the TV and I want to browse the web or something like that, but overall, I keep things pretty minimal on my nightstand. So last time, the main smart component of my bedroom was the Sleep Number 360 i10 bed with the FlexFit 3 base, and while I still have that and I am loving it, there is a whole nother dimension to this thing now. Lately, I've been checking out Sleep Number's new DualTemp individual layer, and a shout out to them for sending this out and sponsoring the channel. And this is literally a layer of luxury for your bed. So the DualTemp layer comes in half sizes for each side of your bed, allowing for ultimate customization. And you're probably wondering what the heck this thing does, right? Well, this will actually cool or heat each side of your bed to keep you up to 35% cooler or warmer. So this is perfect for couples who disagree on sleep temperature in the bedroom, right? Somebody wants it cool, somebody wants it hot, somebody's throwing the covers off. You can actually use the remote to adjust the temperature on each side, but keep in mind that each side does come with a remote on its own, and the current system is not smartphone controlled at the moment, so that's definitely something to think about. But the DualTemp individual layer comes in any size for any mattress. So you don't need a Sleep Number bed to use it. It comes in a twin size all the way up through a California King. You can put it on any bed and get that same comfort. Now, it's all controlled by this little unit that hides underneath your bed. So first off, you put the DualTemp layer on your bed as you would expect, and then you take the unit and you put it underneath your bed, and there's a hose that comes from the layer. It connects to the unit, you flip it on, and you're sleeping in the lap of luxury. So most people like to watch a little TV or a movie or something while relaxing in bed, and for me, yes, that is a definite thing. And I have the 55-inch LG NanoCell TV, which I showed off in a tour not too long ago, but this thing just works great in the bedroom. I watch a lot of 4K HDR content with my 4K Apple TV that I have hooked up to it, and right above that, I'm rocking some Nanoleaf Aurora light panels, and these things just add a ton of style to basically any room. As for audio and sound, I have a Vizio 5.1 surround sound system, which actually includes a soundbar that goes underneath the TV. There's a subwoofer that I actually have underneath the bed, and then there are two satellite speakers that I have on each side of the bed, so you got that really immersive sound for basically anything you're watching or listening to. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a smart bedroom without smart lighting, right? And like I said, I have Philips Hue everywhere. It's at the bottom of the bed, I have it behind the TV on the dresser, I also have it in the ceiling fan for the light bulbs, and I can control everything with my Amazon Echo Spot. And I also do have a nice little Philips Hue switch that actually retrofits to any wall. You don't have to wire it in, you just stick it to your wall and you program the remote via HomeKit or the Philips Hue app, and you can use it to control any light in any room that you have it in, or any other room for that matter. I really do like this switch because you don't have to go changing anything in your existing home to be able to use it, and overall, just having that smart lighting in the bedroom is ultra cool. All in all, I like to keep the bedroom clean and simple, and while there is a lot of technology in there, it's actually masked pretty well, and it doesn't look like there's a whole bunch of stuff all over the place, which I'm a big fan of. But let me know what your favorite tech is in my bedroom in the comments section below, and be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.